Welcome back to Pesci's Kitchen. Today we're gonna make some corn fritters. Very easy, I'm gonna show you how to do it. Let's get into it. So we're gonna start off with a medium-sized mixing bowl. These corn fritters are perfect for an easy, quick dinner. I'm gonna show you how we put it together. So we're gonna start off with about 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Gonna start off with 3 eggs. Let's go ahead and add in about 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, and this is just gonna help give it some lift. And I'm gonna drizzle in about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. All right, I'm gonna add in about a cup and a quarter of corn. Okay. We'll add in about 1/2 bunch of coriander, fresh coriander. In the States here, it's known as cilantro. And we're just gonna give that a rough chop.
So it is cilantro. I was gonna say, what in the world is coriander?
We'll move the rest of that coriander off to the side. We're gonna add in some scallions. I'm gonna trim off the hairy part. I'll cut these on an angle. In the mixture we go. Chili pepper. I'm gonna go ahead and just rub it around my fingers like this. The heat is stored in the seeds of the chili pepper. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the ends off. And tap, 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 tap. And you'll start to see the seeds will come out. That's fine. All right, now I'm just gonna take a sharp knife. I'm gonna cut 3/4 of the way through and turn it sideways. Again, and we're just gonna do a fine chop. It's gonna add a little heat to our corn fritters. All right. Pinch of salt. And we mix.
It smells like the Mexican corn soup.
And oh my God, it smells so good.
It smells like the Mexican corn soup.
These are so simple. Simple ingredients sometimes make the best food. Okay. We'll go ahead and set that to the side. Clean up our cutting surface. And now we're gonna make a quick sauce. We're gonna take the remainder of that chili pepper that we had. We only used half of it. And give it a fine chop. It's okay if there's seeds in there. Okay. Add those to the dish. We're gonna take some cilantro or coriander. Give that a fine chop. Add that to the mixing bowl. All right. Now, to this, we're gonna go ahead and add in some plain yogurt. Use about 3/4 of a cup. I'm just gonna cut off a small ear here, like this, and squeeze it in here. This is just gonna help that pop. Okay.
Like so.
And give it a mix. The yogurt's gonna act as, it's gonna help soften the flavor so that it's not so spicy. It's just gonna be a really nice dipping sauce. All right, we'll give that a taste. Really nice. You can, a little bit of heat, but it's nice and creamy. The egg acts as a binder, and the flour acts as the glue to hold it all together. A little bit of olive oil to the pan. And we're just gonna take a portion and dollop it in there. And press it just a little bit flat. Okay. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is, while our corn fritters are cooking, go ahead and just transfer this sauce over to a smaller bowl. So that we can get ready to plate this all up. All right, so the corn fritters are looking nice and cooked. As soon as you don't see any raw batter in there, I'm gonna pick them up. This is what they look like. We're gonna go straight to the plate. Pick them up, there's one. On the plate like that. I'm just gonna plate it up like this. All right, so we got our corn fritter. Now we're gonna taste it. Look at that. Look at how good that looks. Quick, simple, easy. Wow. Just a little bit of sweet. That sweet corn really does add in the sweetness. You can taste the heat from the chili powder. It's not overwhelming. It's right here. You feel it on the back or sides of your tongue. And that sauce. Oh my God. Wow. That's good. So listen, we don't always take the time to say this, but subscribe. You want to be part of a community where you can learn about cooking, whether you're a novice chef or an expert. We would love to have you be part of our community. We started this because we wanted to create a community around people who love food. So if you found this video helpful and you want to see more great videos like this, smash that like button, share this with all your family and friends, and we'll see you on the next video.